Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the default transportation mode to your trip created on the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, click on trip plans in the middle and select your trip. After that, you should tap on this more button next to the share icon at the top, and then select the default transportation mode section, which is the fifth option within the trip settings section, and then you should select the default transportation mode, which is either public transit plus walk short distances or drive plus walk short distances. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose and then it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.